If you've been feeling stuck in your career, we're going to address this with some tapping because there's an emotional component to this. You might feel undervalued, dissatisfied, not appreciated, and working with these emotions directly can help you get a lot clearer on what the situation actually needs, because it's not always just a new job or career advancement or something else. So, tapping on the side of the hand, let's say, even though I feel stuck in my career, I choose to have compassion for myself. Even though I feel really stuck in my career right now, and it's frustrating, and I'm looking for solutions, I choose to honor myself and whatever emotions are behind this. And so even though I feel stuck, something in me wants something, whether that's to move forward, maybe to be more valued or appreciated, beyond just the career specifics. There's an emotional experience of what I desire, what isn't satisfied. I choose to honor and accept myself and whatever else might be going on here. So we're going to tap through the points, really take a breath into that visceral feeling of like, I'm stuck in my career, okay? So repeating after me, I feel stuck. It's not moving the way I want. It's not happening. Just noticing the sensations in my body. The discomfort. The dissatisfaction. And my mind may already be working on what are the steps I need to take in order to get unstuck. I wonder what definitions I have of what my career should be doing. Maybe I learned it needs to keep advancing. Maybe I'm not satisfied with the line of work, but I'm not sure what else I can do. However it's showing up for me, I'm allowing myself to feel the emotion, even beyond the stuck energy. Do I feel dissatisfied? Do I feel disappointment? Is there anything I believe about myself? Oh, in order to move forward, I need to be more of something than I am, or less of something. Or do I feel discriminated? Like there's a ceiling on me. And focusing on the emotional and physical experience. Because whatever the solution may be, I want the clarity. I want the space for the solution to arise. Because with all of these emotional layers, it's going to affect what I see as my options. If I feel like I'm not good or qualified enough, if I feel resentful, if I feel angry, that's going to affect my path forward. And those emotions are not bad or wrong. Quite the opposite. I choose to welcome them and feel them as best I can. Whatever is deeper behind this, whatever is motivating me or causing me to judge where I'm at, or whatever feels like a block or resistance. It says, I may even know what actions to take, but I feel stuck or block around taking them. It just means there's some part of me that feels it wouldn't be safe to do these things or change my situation because I'd have to feel something. I'd have to face something. I'd have to experience something. And what if I can welcome that right now? As strange as it might sound. What emotions, fears, or doubts that part of me is saying it's not safe to feel? Just welcoming it a little bit. Not forcing it. Just exposing myself to it. It's already there. Or the fear of it at least is there. The experiences in my past that led to these emotions and associations. I'm allowing them to arise. It's just a protective mechanism, trying to protect me from feeling pain or embarrassment or failure or defeat. And saying, maybe I can face some of that right now. Allowing myself to process more of that emotional material behind the specific circumstances of my career or my situation. So I can feel what's really going on there. And from that place, it will be increasingly clear. Maybe I do need to make an external change. Maybe it's a perspective shift. Just allowing it to reveal itself to me in time. Giving my body and mind permission to relax the strain and stress of trying to figure out how to get unstuck, or trying to clear blocks away, or trying to force myself into action. And say, let me just allow what's here, what needs to be felt and seen and expressed, that can allow things to flow and can allow more peace and clarity to return so that I can do whatever is needed. If I need to do anything at all. Once my emotions and energy shift around this. All right, take a breath. Now it's possible that opened up some other doors, some other feelings that might be there You can look at the tapping playlist, which I will link here, with a wide variety of emotions that you might process further on. More resources in the description if you want to connect or learn a little more about this process. Hope it helps. Hope to see you soon.